Are you going to change your appearance? Start with your hair. Watch a compilation of original hairstyles and hacks. If your hair looks greasy but there's no opportunity to wash it, don't worry. Let's test a popular internet recipe of how to turn your hair clean in a few minutes. We'll need talcum powder, starch, or flour. Use anything you have on hand. Use a flat brush to apply it on your hair. Massage the homemade shampoo into your hair. If you think it's not enough, add more. Has your hair turned gray? Add a little bit more. Oh my God! I look like a piece of dough! The good news is that no one will notice my greasy hair. The bad news is that I'll have to wash my hair anyway and clean my clothes as well. Are you tired of wearing your hair loose? Use scissors. You don't agree with us on it? You still like your hair long, don't you? Then let's try a sweet cake-shaped hairstyle. Secure the hair in a high ponytail. Leave the bangs loose. Can we stop here? No, we want to style something fresh and beautiful. Take 2 donuts. For a bigger and smaller bun, pull the ponytail through the hole in the donut. Split it in half. Evenly gather 1/2 into a donut shape. Secure it with a rubber band. Twirl the sticking tips around the bun. Secure them with hairpins. Cover the donut with the second half of the ponytail. Put the smaller donut bun on top. Don't let your model fall asleep or the bun pyramid can fall. Secure the small donut with the pins. Wrap the strands around the bun. Secure them with the hairpins. When the hair is done, you can think about the wrapping for the bun, how to put it on and prevent the model looking like a waitress. We've got an idea. Fold the bright paper strip accordion style. It'll look like a cupcake liner. Wrap it around the bun. Perfect! The only problem left is short sticking hairs that make the hairstyle look untidy. There should be no hair around the cupcake. Here's a smart hack. Take hairspray and a toothbrush. Spray the brush and smooth the hairs. It's easy. The hair is even and flat, and the hairstyle doesn't look like a dandelion. Add a cherry to the cake. Now you can perform. You could even play in a musical comedy, My Sweet Sweet Life. There's no limit to perfection. While your friend's distracted, make her cupcake-shaped hairstyle look more like a dessert. Add a whipped cream topping. Just imitate it with hair mousse. Decorate it with a cherry and sprinkles. It looks delicious, but your friend doesn't look happy about the idea. Oh, no one can understand the great styling master. Your ideas just go ahead of fashion. If she didn't like the cream-topped cupcake, will she like her hair colored? It's a new fashion trend now. Mix a little of blue gouache with a lot of water. Pour it into an empty hairspray bottle. Your friend sprays her hair. In addition to the volume, it gains a blue shade. She can easily turn into a blue-haired elf and go to cosplay. You know, in every good joke, there's just a sliver of the truth. If pastel can color your fingers when you draw on the paper, you can use it to color your hair. Let's do the trendy hairstyle using school supplies. This idea will hardly work well without a clever trick. Start with wet hair. If your hair is wet, the pastel will apply easily and keep looking bright for a long time. Choose the color and rub the pastel against your strands. You get bright and saturated shades. Comb your colored strands and use a flat iron to fasten the color. Use another shade for the next strands. You're your own stylist now. Choose any color you want for your hair. It's another hack to make a trendy hairstyle quickly and easily. Besides, you won't have to spend time on visiting a hairdressing salon, and it'll cost you nothing. Does your hair lack luster and shine? Let's change it immediately. Put a little glitter on your hair tips. It doesn't work. The strands remain the same, unlike the tabletop. It's great to have a styling master available. She's showing you a new sparkly styling product to make your hair shine. Put some hair gel into a cup. Add lots of makeup glitter. Mix well. It's time for magic! No challenge! Gather the front strands into a high ponytail. French braid the hair. Gradually add all the strands in the braiding. Pull apart the braid to create more volume.